Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kellie Kelz. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and if you're returning, well, hello friend. So guys, I recently heard about this plant-based drink that we're going to be talking about now, and I'm going to just be telling you how I heard about the drink. So heard about the drink from Tabitha Brown, and if you're not familiar with Tabitha, she is been watching her, been loving her. So she recently spoke about this drink, and when she spoke about it, she was letting her followers know that she has partnered with the drink, and she's now a co-owner or something to that effect with the company. And she expressed that she's been trying to find a meal replacement drink that she actually likes and actually enjoys, because you know, plant-based, they're not always inviting. And she was like, when she drank it, she was like, this is amazing. It was so amazing that she actually had to go in business with them because she wanted to be a part of it. And I thought that was so super amazing. I have been gradually trying to switch up my diet a little bit. So the name of the drink is Orro. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's Orro, and it is a plant-based drink. Now, before we get into the inside, it's plant-based, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, and it's an excellent source of calcium and iron. And let me tell you something, a girl is anemic and a girl needs all the iron she can get and calcium. So this drink promotes all the health benefits that I so need. On the back, it just gives you a little bit about the product. Say, we believe a meal replacement should be worthy of the meal being replaced, which means complete plant-based nutrition that fuels as much as it fills you up. And it says Orro plant-based meal. The drinks, they have a 4-pack, and on here it says for the hungry. So it has a 4-pack, and I purchased mine on Amazon, and of course I'll leave a link in the description so y'all can go ahead and check it out if you want to be on this journey too. So let's talk about a little bit more about the drink. I believe they have different packages. So this is a 4-pack with the mix, and I think you have more packages with more. So they have 2 flavors right now. They have the chocolate and the vanilla. Now, when Tabitha was talking about it, she said her favorite was the chocolate. I actually drank 3 of these already, only 1 of them. I only have 1 left. It's a vanilla, but everything else is empty. Of course, I kept the containers for the video purpose. The chocolate does taste amazing. It does taste good, but I was thinking that I would not like the vanilla. Let me tell you something, the vanilla is great. The vanilla is great. I was drinking the vanilla and I'm like, I can't tell I was liking the chocolate more than the vanilla. They are both good, honestly. I am still yet to determine if I like one more, but I love them both. So I purchased the 4-pack on Amazon, and you guys, it's so affordable. I believe this was $14. I don't remember, but I'll have the link in the description. And of course, if you want to purchase it, you could go ahead and use that link as well and head over to Amazon and purchase. You guys, they are so good. What I like about them is that I drink them in the morning time after my tea, and it keeps me filled until about 12. We're gonna get into that a little bit more. So pretty much I think I told you about the meal itself, but these are the container. So it is a 11.1 FL ounce, and it is plant-based protein, 16 gram. It has 300 calories per bottle, and on here of course tell you everything that is, you know, that is included in the mixture. It is a recyclable, and of course protects, and it's safe for the environment. You guys, I love them. It is the first shake that I drank where I was not doing this. Like it is the first shake that I drank, and I can genuinely appreciate the taste, the texture, and just how I feel when I drink it. So this is my routine when I drink them, in case anyone want to know. And by the way, have you tried them? If you have tried them, please do share in the comment section what has been your experience. But if you're looking for something like this, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about how I go about my routine, and how I use them. So in the morning time, I have my tea, and whether that be some ginger tea or some natural tea, whatever it is, I have my tea, and then I start working at 8:30. So I have my tea while I start working, and after I finish my tea, I do my shake. So I pop my shake out, shake it, and sometimes I drink it in one go, or sometimes I drink it half, but for the most part, I finish it within a certain time. And then that is probably about 9 o'clock, 9:30, and then that fills me up until around 1 o'clock. No joke. And along with that, after I drink the shake, maybe an hour or two after, I have a glass of green juice. So that is my routine. So I do it in the morning time. It's only juice, it's only liquid in the morning for my diet. And after that, lunchtime, I have something. But I have been trying to stay, on the healthier side. Maybe if it's not a sandwich, it's fruit or something. And then of course dinner time, I'll probably have something if I'm not still full. If I'm still full, I try not to OD. I try to stick within the whole regimen. But this is how I personally is breaking myself into including more plant-based and vegan things into my diet. So that is what I have been doing, and I've been searching for something just to ease me into it, and this is the absolute best. This drink is the absolute best that is breaking me into the whole plant-based thing. You can taste the natural stuff. You can taste it. It does have that taste, but for the most part, it's nothing too crazy. It's not that overpowering where I'm gonna say it's not. So it's amazing. I enjoy drinking it, and I mean, it's not, yes, it doesn't give me that. So I love it. I love it. And I was so grateful that I also could have found a drink that I was able to digest and feel good. It does leave me feeling energized. It does leave me feeling good. And it does, I feel like, the more natural stuff that you get, do you know that they're a natural cleanser for your colon, for your intestine? Did you know that it does cleanse you? So I appreciate that too. It does cleanse me, and I do feel energized, and I feel pumped after I have drank them. So love that. And so you guys, again, if you've used the product, if you've tried it, please do leave a comment in the comment section. What are your take on plant-based drink, meal replacements, vegan drinks, plant-based drink for a meal replacement? And what are your take? Also, if you are someone that work out daily, I'm trying to get into that routine. Let's see how that goes. Someone give me a boost or something. But if you are someone that also do your daily workout, this is a good way of breaking yourself into your meal. And I find that this is convenient for me, because sometimes in the mornings I really don't want to eat anything, and drinking does work for me. So this is just my method, and I find that I feel really energized and really refreshed, and I get on with my day when I approach my day this way. So if you've tried these, do share in the comment section, and if you have any recommendations of other plant-based drink that you've been trying out, let me know, let your girl know. And yes, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.